Today we are unboxing the powerful Dell OptiPlex 7020. It's compact, fast and perfect for business. But that's not all. This machine comes with a reliable Intel processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance. With its solid build quality, it's designed for long-term durability. You also get multiple USB ports, DisplayPort and VGA connectivity, making it super flexible for any setup. It supports easy RAM and storage upgrades, so you can boost performance anytime you want. Whether you're working from home, running office tasks, or setting up a budget workstation, this PC delivers stable and efficient performance.